Zava launched a new product line requiring a major investment, and leadership needs to know quickly whether it is profitable for the quarter. But closing the books can take weeks of manual work and late nights for finance teams. Instead of spending days manually reconciling data in Excel, Zava uses the financial reconciliation capability in Finance Agent to get to insight faster. With sample intercompany invoice data loaded into the worksheet, the agent quickly analyzes the accounts using deep finance domain skills. Zava's accountant, Kotri, reviews the agent's suggested mappings, adds a few rules, and starts the process. The agent immediately compares transactions, finds matches, and flags discrepancies. In under a minute, Finance Agent produces a reconciliation report that is accurate and delivered faster than manual work. It groups transactions into unmatched, potential matches, and full matches across both sets of account detail. Once validated, the setup becomes a reusable template for other reconciliation use cases, including intercompany, bank, vendor, and more. Teams can even run Finance Agent autonomously during close. Finance Agent works in the background and only brings people in when needed. Kotri gets an email when the latest reconciliation is ready to review. Microsoft Purview detects sensitive financial data in the report and automatically applies the right sensitivity label, keeping access limited to approved audiences. The report also shows the agent has already reconciled hundreds of transactions. That leaves only a small number of exceptions for Kotri to resolve, such as transactions showing in one account, but missing in the other. Using Finance Agent in Microsoft 365 Copilot, Zava's Finance can use AI to close faster, scale, and deliver insights.